Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech Channel. In today's video, we will be showing you how to play the Ludo game on your Facebook application. You can play various games on your Facebook application without installing them first into your smartphone. In order to do this, go ahead and open up your Facebook application first. Once you open it up, tap on the menu icon underneath the messenger icon at the top right corner. Then from the menu page, scroll down and tap on Gaming. Now from the Gaming menu, go ahead and tap on the search box. Now in the search box, type in Ludo and then go ahead and tap on your desired version of the game. Once you open up the game, tap on Play Now and the game will begin loading on your phone. Once it is fully loaded, you will be asked whether you would like to receive messages and notification from this game. You can tap on Turn On to allow messages, or you can also tap on Not Now to skip this option. Now all that's left to do is play the game. You can tap on Play Now in order to play with various people all around the world. You can also play with your Facebook friends by tapping on the Friends button. Once you tap on your desired play mode, go ahead and select the number of players and you will be all set to play the Ludo game on your smartphone. So that is how you can play the Ludo game on your Facebook application. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also ring the notification bell in order to be notified whenever we upload a new video. Thank you for watching.